Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to go for Betterment in CAP. To begin, understand that Betterment refers to strategically improving your application to secure a more favorable outcome in competitive admission processes. This involves a comprehensive review of your profile, identifying areas for enhancement, and presenting your strengths effectively. A well-prepared application can make a substantial difference in your admission journey, setting you apart from other candidates. To achieve Betterment, focus on core strategies. Firstly, consistently strive for excellent academic performance, as strong grades are fundamental. Secondly, actively participate in extracurricular activities that demonstrate leadership, teamwork, or unique skills. These experiences provide valuable talking points and showcase your well-rounded profile. Finally, cultivate relationships with mentors who can write compelling recommendation letters, highlighting your best qualities. Crafting an outstanding application is crucial. Your statement of purpose should be a powerful narrative, reflecting your aspirations and why you are a perfect fit. Avoid generic statements. Instead, tailor each application to the specific program's requirements and values. This shows genuine interest and effort. Always proofread every document meticulously, perhaps even having a trusted friend review it to ensure clarity and professionalism. As you finalize your journey, remember these essential tips. Prepare diligently for any interviews, practicing common questions, and articulating your thoughts clearly. Submitting your application early demonstrates punctuality and allows for any unforeseen technical issues. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. Good luck with your application, and we hope these insights help you achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.